Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter number 2, that is Happy Prince. Dear students, in this chapter we have completed up to paragraph number 7. There are 14 paragraphs in this chapter and we have completed to paragraph numbers up to 7. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the story of this chapter, and this is the story of a prince. Here in this story we will find that there is no living prince. The prince has been died, but there is a statue of Happy Prince, and in this chapter we will read about the Happy Prince, that is not living thing, that is non-living thing. Dear students, we have read that there is a prince who never faced any kind of problem in his life, and he was always feels happy. He always feels happy. Therefore, it is also known as Happy Prince. And the statue that is made, there is a smile on his lips. Therefore, the statue is also known as Happy Prince. And one day, as we have to face in our life that we have to die one day, in the same way, the prince also died one day. And the people of his country, the people of his town were very much shocked. They were very, very sad. They were unhappy when the prince died. And therefore the people of the town made a statue in the memory of the prince. And one day what happens, there was a bird. The name of the bird was Swallow, and who came to the town to visit, to see the town. And during night, when he was going to sleep, when the bird was going to sleep under the feet of the statue, and we should know also that the statue was made up of precious leaves, precious stones, as well as the statue was also adorned. It means decorated with the various kinds of jewelry. Okay, students. And one day what happened? And the statue was also placed in the center of the town. And one day a bird, Swallow, visited to the town, and in the night he was going to sleep between the feet of the statue Happy Prince. And when he was going to sleep, he a drop of water, a drop of tears fell on the head of the bird. So he looked up, the bird looked up, and he saw that the tears are coming from the eyes of the prince. So he was shocked, and he became very sad. And then the bird asked to the prince that, why are you crying? Then the statue replied, the Happy Prince replied that he had never seen any kind of sorrow in his life, and he never faced any kind of problem in his life. He never saw any kind of people who is suffering from problems and trouble. But today he was seeing that a man is suffering from so many problems. Then the bird asked to the Happy Prince that what he was saying. Then the prince replied that he was seeing at very far off places there is a man who has no money. Therefore, he could not buy food. He could not buy medicines for her son. Then the bird asked to the prince, what can he do? How can he help him? Then the happy prince said that by giving one of the jewels of his sword. Sword means it is a kind of weapon. By giving one of the jewels to the that woman, he could, by giving the jewels of his sword, he can fulfill the desire of that old man. And he needs a food, he needs medicine. He could not have proper food, proper medicines. And he has no money to buy the foods, to buy the medicines. Therefore, the prince said that you hand over the, the prince requested to the swallow bird that you hand over. He hand over the piece of jewels to that old man, so that he could buy enough food, enough medicines for her son. And when the swallow asked to the prince if he was feeling cold, then the prince said that by doing good deeds, by doing noble task, he can get warmth. Okay students, up to that we have read, and now just open the page number, chapter number 2 and page number 17. Page number 17 at the paragraph number 8, but in this page, at this page, the paragraph number 4, the swallow wanted to fly. Everyone just put the finger on that line where I am reading. The swallow wanted to fly. Have you got, everyone? Yes. Now we will discuss from here. The swallow wanted to fly the warm place. The swallow, the bird, wanted to fly the warm places where his family members had gone. Where his family members had gone, at that place the bird also wanted to go. The swallow also wanted to go. He said goodbye to the prince. And he said goodbye to the prince. He was just taking the leave from the prince, but he requested swallow not to leave him. But the prince requested the bird, requested to the swallow that not to leave him. Why? Because there are so many works that will be done with the help of the swallow. Now see here. He said goodbye to the prince, but he requested swallow not to leave him. But the prince requested, the happy prince requested to the swallow bird not to leave him. Why? We will read next. He wanted some more work to be done with the help done by the swallow, because the prince wanted to done some more work with the help of the swallow. One after other, he gave out the jewels of his body, and at last he gave all the pieces of gold class. And one by one after one, he donated, he gave to the needy people. Here was I. One after other, he gave out the jewels of his body at last. It means one by one, he gave all the jewelries that was adorned, that was decorated on the statue. He gave one by one to all jewelers, to the needy peoples. He helped the poor young man who wanted to write good things, and he also helped a young man who need money. He wanted to write good things, and that man was wanting to write something, but was unable to do. But he was unable to do that. He was unable to write that things, as he could not buy papers due to want of money, because he couldn't buy, that man couldn't buy the papers because he has no enough money. Because the lack of money, the man could not buy papers. Therefore, the prince also helped that man so that he could buy papers. Now see, he helped a poor young man who wanted to write good things but was unable to do. But he was unable to do because he has lack of money. Unable to do as he could not buy paper due to want of money, because he was unable to buy the paper because he has lack of money. And now the prince helped the little girls, and the prince again helped the little girl. In the beginning he helped an old woman who was suffering from so many problems. He has lack of money, he has lack of food, he has lack of medicines. And so he helped her in the beginning. Then after he helped the young man who needs money for buying paper, for purchasing papers, because he wanted to write something. And then after the prince helped the little girl. Then after the prince helped a little girl, a small girl who was selling matches. And that small girl was selling matches. Matches means matches. Was selling matches, but due to heavy cold, matches become wet. But due to heavy cold, and the matches become wet. And she could not sell them. Therefore, the small girl could not sell the matches. And that small girl was selling the matches, but due to extreme cold, the matches was wet. The matches were wet. Therefore, he could not sell them. And he was also fearing. She was afraid that her father will beat her. And she was also fearing. She was afraid that her father will beat her, because she could not sell that matches. Because she was afraid her father will beat her after reaching home. And that small lady, that small girl was feeling afraid. She was fearing that her father will beat her after reaching home. The prince never wanted to see anybody unhappy in the world. And the prince was so humble, so kind, that he never wanted to see anybody unhappy or sad in the world. He gave the jewels of his eyes and made the girls happy. And the prince gave the jewels of his eye, that is fixed in his eyes. He gave to that small girl so that he could be happy, so that the little girl could be happy. Okay, students, now come to the next paragraph. I hope that you all have understand this paragraph, the meaning of this paragraph. Now come to the next paragraph. The day came when all the jewels of his body were gone, and day by day he donated all the jewelries that was fixed, that was adorned, that was decorated on the statue. And the day come when all the jewels of his body were gone, and day by day all the jewels of his body has gone. He has donated all the jewelry of his body to some peoples, some needy peoples, with the help of that swallow bird. Now the prince looked ugly. Now the prince was looking very ugly, because there is no good clothes, there is no jewelry fixed in the statue. And the prince looked ugly and shabby. Shabby means poor condition. Shabby means poor condition. Yeah, shabby. S-H-A, sorry. SHABBY. Shabby means poor condition. Shabby means poor condition here. Here the prince was looked ugly. Now the prince was not looking beautiful. And the prince was not looking, the statue of the prince was not looking well. And it was looking shabby, that was in very poor condition, because all the jewelry of his body has been gone. And he has donated all the jewelry of his body one by one. And the swallow never left the place. And the swallow also never left the place, because the prince requested him not to leave that place, because he has to done so many work with the help of the statue, the bird. Then the snow come. Here the swallow never left the place, rather kept on helping the prince. And swallow did not leave the place, and he continuously doing the help of that prince. And now then the snow come, and now it was the season of winter, and now it is snowing. And snow came, and the little swallow got colder and colder. Now the little swallow got colder and colder. He was suffering from cold now, and he knew that his end has come. And he also knew that his end has come. It means he will be dying now, because it was the extreme cold, and the bird could not survive in that cold. Okay students, turn the pages. Page number 18. Goodbye, replied the prince. Now the prince also replied to the bird goodbye, because the prince also understood that the bird will not alive now, and the bird will also die, because it was the extreme cold. And there was something that broke inside him. And after seeing the condition of the bird, there is something broke inside the happy prince, statue of the happy prince. And there is something broke inside the statue of the happy prince. It was hurt, and it was his heart, and it was his heart. Come to the next paragraph. One day the mayor and the councillor saw the condition of the statue of the prince during their visit. One day what happened? The mayor and the councillors of that town, one day mayor and the councillor saw the condition of that statue during their visit. During their visit, one day the mayor and the councillor of that place, of that town, visited to the town, and they saw the condition of the happy prince, that it was very shabby in condition, and it was looking very ugly. Then what they decided? A dead bird was also under his feet, and under the feet of that statue there was a dead bird. A dead bird was under his feet. They decided to remove the statue from that place, and the mayor and the councillor decided to remove the statue of the happy prince from that place, because it was looking ugly, it was looking shabby, it was not in well condition. Therefore the mayor and the councillor decided to remove the statue from the center of the town. Now the bird was under his feet. They decided to remove the statue from that place and put the statue of the mayor. And they decided to put the statue of mayor at the place of happy prince. Okay students, now the mayor and councillor decided that they will put the statue of mayor at the place of happy prince, at the place of statue of the happy prince. They decided. They took down the leaves from the statue. They took down the leaves that was fixed in the statue of the Happy Prince, and from the statue of the prince, and gave it to the workman, and they gave the leads to the workman to make a statue of Mayor. Workman to make the statue of Mayor. The workman found that there was a heart inside the statue, and the workman found that there was a heart inside the statue of the Happy Prince. There was a heart in reality. The workman found that there was a heart inside the statue which did not melt. Melt means dissolve. Melt means dissolve. Dissolve means पिघलना, यानी कि वो हर्ट क्या था, पिघला हुआ नहीं था. And a statue which did not melt. The workman found that there was a heart inside the statue which did not melt. The workman found that there was a heart inside the statue of the Happy Prince, and it was not melt. It was not dissolved. They decided to throw the heart on the heap of the dust, and the workmen also decided to throw the heart of the Happy Prince on the heap of the dust, where the little dead swallow was laying. Where the little dead swallow was already laying. And the workmen also decided to throw the heart of the Happy Prince on the heap of the dust, where already there is a dead body of the bird swallow. Okay, students, now come to the next paragraph. The God was watching this, and the God was watching this, that the workman was throwing the heart of the Happy Prince on the heap of the dust, where the dead bird was lying. God was watching this. He ordered his angels. God ordered his angels. What he ordered? To bring the two most precious things from the town. And the God was watching everything. And therefore he ordered the angels to bring the two precious things. Precious means valuable thing from that town. What is the valuable thing? What is the most valuable thing in the town? That is the heart of the Happy Prince, as well as the dead body of the swallow. Therefore the God ordered his angels to bring the dead body. As he did not order, he only said that to bring the two precious things from the town. Now the angels bought the broken heart, and the angels bought the broken hearts and dead swallow. Now, after giving the order to the angels came to the town, and they brought the broken heart and dead swallow. And now the angels brought the dead body of the swallow bird, as well as the heart of the Happy Prince. Now the God said, you are right. And the God said that you are right. I was thinking that these two are the precious things of the town. That is the heart of the Happy Prince, as well as the dead body of the swallow. Therefore the God said that they were right. The angels were right. It is said that little bird still lives with the God in the garden of paradise. And it is said that the little bird, that swallow bird, lives in the garden of paradise from that time. And it is said that the little bird still lives. And it is said, people said that bird is still alive in the garden of the paradise. And the happy prince is always known in the name of God. And the happy prince will be also known always in the name of God. Why these two things were so precious? Because they did the noble task for the mankind. They served the humanity, they served the mankind by sacrificing their lives. The happy prince also sacrificed his life for the betterment of the society, for the betterment of the town, and the swallow birds also helped him, helped the happy prince. Although the bird also died for helping the other peoples. Therefore, these two things are so precious in the eyes of God. And therefore, the God thought and the angels thought that these two things, the heart of the happy prince as well as the dead body of the swallow bird, is so precious for the God, because they did his work for the mankind, for the betterment of the society, for the spreading the happiness in the society. Therefore, these two things are so precious in the eyes of God. Okay, students, this is the story, and I hope that you all have understand the story. Okay, students, you will read it at your home once again. If you have any kind of problem, you can ask in the comments, you can ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay, students, you will revise it, and your homework is to complete the word meaning. Those who have already completed, they will learn, complete the word meaning of chapter 2 in your notebook, the notebook. Okay, students, this is your homework. Those who have already written, no need to write, they will learn only, and you will also read the chapter once more so that everything should be clear. Okay, students, thanks for today.